Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing our Liveglam subscription. Yay!
Brushes.
I will link up in the eye for you to see our initial video where we talk more about the pricing, but essentially it's a brush subscription through MORPHE.
This is really great if you're trying to build a brush kit, or you're just new to makeup, or you just want more brushes. So, it's been fun. Here is the card for this month. Say yes to the brushes. That's cute.
Is it wedding season? I don't feel like it is.
It's not.
It's engagement season. People get married in the spring.
Yeah.
They get engaged in the winter.
Yeah.
Christmas time proposals.
Snuggle.
Who does that, right, Chip?
We didn't.
So this month we have, looks like 5 brushes.
Wow.
We always like when we get more than 3. Yeah, let's talk about this.
Why not?
Brush. I mean, I love a good fan. I don't declutter or get rid of any of my fan brushes unless someone asks me specifically, but this is the one that I'm going to put out for display because look, what is this strip here? These are my bangs. This is the M143 Deluxe Soft Fan.
I mean, it's soft. It's soft as heck.
But
So
Chip, you don't even like white tip brushes.
I don't, but I'm gonna keep it because it just looks ridiculous.
It does look ridiculous.
It just, like, I just need this. Why do we have that black?
I don't know why it's so funny. If I ever redo my hair again and I don't keep it silver, I'm gonna put a black strip in the thing so I can really
live your life, girl.
That would be a very, very editorial look, but like.
Next one we have is the M707. This is a 3/4 oval foundation. So it says, get that flawless photo ready look with this oval foundation brush. If you love full coverage, this brush is your new soulmate. Okay.
You guys have been watching us for a while. You know I use a foundation brush to apply my highlight. That one's from Wish. This one is like too thick.
Yeah, this is.
How are you feeling?
It's
so
too
thick.
small. Well, it's just for like this will take me forever. If I'm thinking of foundation, this will take me forever.
Would you use this for like a mask maybe?
Yes, I was about to say. Yeah, this would be better for a no, you're good. Mask, even concealer maybe, because I have like a really big face. So that would work.
Anyways, next brush. This is the M554, the under eye setting brush. This one has a little protective sleeve. I'm going to slide it off. This is also very similar in shape to the foundation brush we were just talking about. So this one is good for creaseless and cake-free finish. I don't know. I think I'll save it for my kit.
I have a few bristles that either they're not as long.
Oh yeah, yours is a little bit more frayed. It's got like pinched into the...
Yeah, so I'm just going to take a little scissors and just cut it at the base. Too small for blush for me, but yeah, setting powder or brushing anything away under the eyes. Or if I was going to just put one very
No,
color.
Please don't use that for eyeshadow.
Oh my God.
You know what, Chip? Set it with that brush and then sweep it away with the fan. You all set.
Ooh, that fan. The next thing we have is the M322 Large Pointed Crease. Now, I have several of these, Sigma, but...
They are very similar. That one's a little bit more fluffy. This one is kind of stiff. It's definitely good for like blending in a very concentrated area, but not like all over.
Yeah.
I don't know if any are going to make it in the giveaway from this bag.
I like the handle, the length compared to, I don't know, like...
Last brush is the M160 1/8 angle liner.
Yes.
So this one is a little bit more fine as far as the width, and it's also a little bit longer than like I would normally see from an angle brush. So it's going to give you that extra flexibility, but also it's thin enough to where you're not going to just splay all over your face. How you feeling?
I like it.
I
like
keep all
it.
my angle brushes because I'm trash.
Yeah. I mean, I like it because you can do liner, you can do detail work, you can do brows. Yeah. So
I need to replace my Sephora
I like it.
22, and this is probably going to be it.
Is it? Well,
so none of them made it to the giveaway this month, but
okay, we still have a really big collection. Like from right now, our stash is large.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. We would love to have you as part of our Sugar and Spice family. Again, I linked up in the eye, and I'll put it down below about the initial video we did that talks more about the pricing. But essentially, you know, it's a month-by-month one, or you can buy them 6 months or annually. And we will see you guys on the next video. Bye!